up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining us again. Folks, today we're doing a taste test. I was actually talking to my good friend Justin from Baby Back Maniac last night. Cool dude. You hadn't checked him out yet, y'all can check out Baby Back Maniac. But man, he was talking about some stuff, and I kind of got this idea to do a taste test. We're going to take some country style ribs, and if you're not familiar with that, it's basically just either a bone-in or boneless pork butt that the butcher sliced up into steaks, okay? So I got some country style ribs. I'm just gonna put some salt and pepper on them, maybe a little binder with some Worcestershire or some olive oil or something. But I'm gonna keep it simple, salt and pepper. We're gonna grill one set on the Santa Maria Gabby's grill, the attachment for my Weber kettle, okay? Directly over pecan wood. The other cook is gonna be on my Lone Star Grillz using pecan wood low and slow. So we're gonna slow smoke and do a taste test comparing that to grilled directly over wood on the Santa Maria grill. Should be a great video. Hope y'all stick around. Now, these country style ribs are coated down with some Worcestershire as a binder, salt and pepper. Oh, yeah, kosher salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Let me show them to you. They look great, y'all. Check this out. Here we go. Just down here you can see them. See how thick they are? They look nice. Again, just pork butt that's been sliced into steaks. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna throw this on my Lone Star Grill. This is the 20-inch model. And two of these are going on the smoker and two of them are going on the Gabby's grill, which is right over there. I'm going to give the smoker a head start though, okay? You know, the low and slow is going to take a little bit longer to cook, so I'm not throwing the other two on the Gabby's grill, Santa Maria grill yet. I'm going to maybe wait an hour or so, because we're cooking hot and fast over there. Here, low and slow, about, well, we're at 250, okay? 250 Fahrenheit. And again, not doing anything to them. We're just gonna let them cook and we'll pull them off and taste them when they're done. So let's throw them on. I'm gonna put these kind of in the middle on the top rack here, just like so. There we go. Shut her back down. I'll bring y'all right back when I got the Santa Maria grill ready to go. See you in about an hour. If you hadn't seen it, this is my Gabby's grill. It's a Santa Maria style grill. It's an attachment that Gabby's Grillz makes for your Weber kettle. They have the 14, the 18, and the 22 inch. And I think maybe the 26 inch as well. So let's go ahead and throw these on there. I got my pecan wood nice and hot down there. Go wash my cutting board and my tongs. I'll tell you what. Yeah, it's been an hour and a half. I waited an hour and a half to put these on. So that's where we're at right now. It's an hour and a half in, and I know I got a lot of light behind me. Y'all probably can't see me. Oh, hey, you want to see what those other ones are looking like on the Lone Star Grillz? Let's check it out. All right, let me show you what these are looking like. And I just had this thing open so that I could do a temp probe on it. And it's reading about 155 internal right now. It's feeling really good, and man, the color is excellent. I love using pecan wood. That's looking really, really good. All right, so we're gonna let that keep cooking. And over on the Gabby's grill, the Santa Maria style grill, what I'm gonna do is flip those over every once in a while when they need to be flipped, you know, like every 15, 20 minutes maybe. It's just for even cooking, okay? Because it's really hot right beneath them. And if you haven't owned a Gabby's grill or any other Santa Maria grill, you want that flame to just barely kiss the bottom of the meat, all right? So if it gets too hot, raise the grill up. If it gets to where you don't hardly have a flame, you just have the coals that are providing some heat, lower the grill down. Simple. Cooking over direct wood, man. I'll probably bring you guys back whenever I'm fixing to do the taste test. Y'all stick around. All right, after about 4 hours, these are our country style ribs. This one is the one that was on the Lone Star grill. It was smoked. This one is the one that we grilled on the Santa Maria grill, the Gabby's grill. I'll take a little bit of a bite off each one. And I like the bark personally. Oh, and by the way, I took both of these up to about 198, just so that they would, you know, be even. Yeah, check out that smoke ring on that thing, man. That's a nice looking smoke ring. all around there. Nice looking bark. All right, we're gonna set that aside. Let's take a little bit of this one right here. All right, no smoke ring. Bark, you know, it's not quite the same. Let's give both of these a taste. Let's see what the dealio is. All right, here we go. This is the one that was smoked on the Lone Star Grillz. It's got a really nice bark on it, and it's got a nice smoke ring on it as well. Let's give this a try. I like the bark. Of course, I always like a good bark. I'll tell you what, that's really juicy and tender. Really, really good. It's not overpowering on the smoke. It's a nice flavor of the smoke. Okay. Let's try the one that was grilled on the Gabby's grill, Santa Maria grill. Not much of a smoke ring, just barely a smoke ring on there, man. The bark's not anywhere near the same. It's tougher. A little drier. Not as tender. And just like a kiss of smoke flavor. Not a whole lot of smoke flavor. It could have just been the pig though. You know, I mean, you get two briskets and cook them side by side, they're not going to turn out the same. So it could have been what happened here. But I'm pretty sure this came from the same pork loin, pork butt. I'll tell you what, man. In all honesty, I like the one that was cooked on the Lone Star Grill. Of course, y'all know I love my barbecue, but you got a better bark. You got a smoke ring, which is appealing to your guests that you're eating it. You know, smoke ring. Everybody likes smoke ring. Just tender and juicy, and a bit more smoke flavor. The advantage of the Gabby's grill, the Santa Maria type grill cooker. It cooks in about half the time, you know, but it's not as tender, it's not as juicy. It's grilled. You actually do get a nice grilled flavor from that. So, I mean, everybody's taste is different. You may love the grilled flavor over the smoke flavor from Offset or from the Weber Smoky Mountain or some other electric smoker or something, you know. Personally though, I like the smoke flavor, and I like when you cook it low and slow, you retain the juices, you get a nice bark. It's just tender and juicy. But again, everybody's taste is different. Hope you give it a try. And if I've helped you, I'm happy about that. We're all a community. We share knowledge between each other. I just wanted to do this quick test and see how it turned out. I really didn't know what to expect. But low and slow, man. That's the way to go. In my book, anyway. Appreciate y'all watching. If y'all enjoyed this, y'all give me some thumbs up. Hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends. T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. All right, I got these country style ribs coated down with some fresh crack. Hang on. All right, I got these country style ribs. Hang on, I can't even say country.